Hi everyone, Armand here. This is my first unboxing video. Basically, I'm doing this to share to everyone my first experience after purchasing from SM Aura, or the Dior store in SM Aura. I was able to buy from them online, or rather through Viber actually. Ambre Nui, which is one of the fragrances that I was on the lookout for. To start with the unboxing video, well, I'm showing first the shopping bag that I got from them. By the way, a little backstory on the purchase. So I managed to get hold of their number through a fellow froghead, and it was actually a very easy transaction. So I sent a text to them asking if they have availability of Ambre Louis, and during that time they didn't have any stock on hand. So after 3 or 4 weeks, they got in touch with me again, and they said that the items are already on hand, and that after paying through bank transaction online, I could get the item delivered to me to my doorstep, free of charge. So okay, again, this is a box, or rather the shopping bag.
And to show you how it's wrapped, show you how it looks like. Box looks like this. There's a rubber stamp here, which mimics the wax stamp. It's quite a fancy presentation. The strings unfortunately got loose. I've had this for more than a week now, and I was storing this in my cabinet. So excuse the the condition of the box. So I'm unwrapping this right now, taking out the rubber stamp.
So this fragrance is, well, the nose behind this fragrance is Francois Demachy, and he's also the same nose, the same perfumer who's responsible for Feb Delicious. So this is how it's wrapped. So it has sticker here, and the wrapping paper, white wrapping paper. I'm gonna carefully remove. Going to carefully remove this. And these are the contents. Ambre Nui. And there's a free sample bottle of Spice Blend. I think this is 7 ml. This one is 125 ml. 120, I think. And well, what's this? I think it's a cushion for the fragrance. So, okay, to open this. By the way, I bought this retail at 12,800 pesos, I think. So that's roughly, how much in US dollars? So that's about 220 US dollars. Again, I don't normally buy fragrances retail prices. Normally, I buy from discount stores. I also have wholesale account on Fragrance X, and that's where I get most of my fragrances. I get my fragrances also from fellow frag heads who usually sell their fragrances discounted. So this is one of the few that I bought retail. Okay. Right. So Ambre Nui, amber colored juice. Couldn't smell anything yet, so I'm going to spray this. Spray this for the first time. This is a blind buy actually. Oops. Oh. All right. Okay. I like it. Not love at first sniff, but I love it. It's turning out beautifully. It's a little bit sweet, of course, ambery. There's there's of course rose from, you know, from the description of Fragrantica, but I couldn't detect it yet. There's a floral note in here that I could smell, and a little bit spicy. It's nice. Yeah. Uh, it's actually a little bit fresh to my nose. So maybe this is good for daytime and nighttime use as well. So nice. Let me try the other one. Let me try the Spice Blend sample. By the way, when you order from Dior Aura, make sure that you ask for a freebie. So this is the only freebie that apparently they can give to me. It doesn't spray, so it's just you can just dab it. Oh, this is also the first time I'm smelling this. Spice Blend. Spice Blend smells very designer. A little bit, you know, common. A little bit soapy. Actually, yeah, I take my word. I kind of like Spice Blend better than Ambre Nuit now. I think this has more character. This is more interesting. Kind of reminds me of Spice Bomb, a little bit fresher Spice Bomb. It's actually nice. So maybe this is probably my next purchase. But so far I'm liking the two. What else did I get? I also got stationery from them. So J'adore. Is this a stationery? So let me open this. Ah yeah, it's a notebook. So again, make sure that you ask for freebies from Dior Aura. Do not purchase any fragrance without any freebie, because you're actually paying for them, especially at full retail. It's, you know, demand as much freebies that you can get from them, and they're actually very nice. They would tell you that this is what we have, this is what we only have at the moment, we will have more probably in the future on your next purchase, and that's probably to persuade you to buy from them again. But again, my experience from SM Dior Aura was a good one, pleasant one. The staff there are really well mannered. They, you know, they try to answer your questions courteously, and I had a lot of questions from them, so it was a great experience. Oh, you know, I can smell Spice Blend right now. It's good. It's actually better than Ambre Nuit, I think. It's quite potent. Anyway, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Forgive me if, you know, I'm not really very comfortable in front of the camera. Maybe succeeding reviews or succeeding unboxing videos would be so much better. So thanks everyone for watching.